Here is a Nissan Versa. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, is the secondary hood release lever. Pull it up, and while it's pulled up, lift up the hood with your second hand. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab it. Put it right in that slot. Make sure it's in there. Now let go of the hood, and now it is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the low beam over there, and that is the high beam. Let's start with the low beam bulb. The bulb is there. The way to access it, you go right there behind it, and that is the bulb right over there. Just grab the bulb and twist it left and get it out with the electrical connector still on it. Now it's loose and you'll be able to get it right out. Now hold the bulb with one hand and get the connector off with the other hand, and you have to pull it out. See how I'm pulling it out? So while you are pulling it outwards, slide the connector off, and it comes right out right there. The bulb number is H11. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself, and then slide the connector back onto the bulb. And now let's put it back into the light, and you will likely have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. See, right now it's not sitting in properly, it's not sitting in flush. That red seal is visible. Now it's good. Now once it's sitting in flush like this, just twist your right to lock and you're done. Moving on to the high beam bulb. That's the bulb, and that's right over there. Same thing, just twist your left and you can get the bulb and the connector out together, or you can just take the connector out separately by itself. I'll show you that on the driver's side. Hold the bulb with one hand, get the connector off with the other hand. You have to pull it out and then slide the connector off the bulb. The bulb size is H9. Again, check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and then click the connector back on, and let's put it back into the housing. See, it's easily accessible, and you have to do some twisting and turning before it sits in flush. And when it's sitting in flush, the red seal over there on the bulb, the rubber seal, it'll disappear. And good, now it's sitting in flush, and just twist your right to lock it, and you are done. And now let's move on to the driver's side. Exact same process, no differences whatsoever. It is just as accessible. Just twist it left, out it comes, and then let's just put it back in. Same thing, you may have to do some twisting and turning over here to make sure it drops in, and then you'll be twisted right to lock it. Moving on to the high beam bulb. Bulb is over there. The way to access it is same thing as the passenger side, and this is what I was talking about. You can get the connector off first before you get the bulb off. Just pull it out and slide it off the bulb. Now just twist the bulb left separately and then get it out. Same H9 bulb as the passenger side. Get the new bulb from Amazon and then put it back in. Once it's sitting in flush, the seal is now visible. Good, twist your right to lock it, and now let's just get the connector back on and slide it on and click it in place, and that is good. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.